Hey, welcome to Roman to Yoga. I'm Casey, and today I'll be taking you through a foam rolling session. So grab one of these, and if that is of interest to you, then please keep watching. Thanks. Grab your foam roller and place it underneath your ankles. Once you feel comfortable, wiggle out your toes and move your toes from right to left. Circle out your toes. Circle the feet in the opposite direction. Pause and move the foam roller up to your lower calf. Rock out the legs from side to side. You can choose the pace of how quickly or slowly you would like to rock the legs. Move the roller up to the mid-calf and gently rock from side to side. Move the roller to the upper calf and rock the legs from left to right. Place the left foot on the floor and gently roll up and down on your right calf. Keep your right toes pointed towards the ceiling, your ankle flexed. Turn your foot to the right and roll up and down on the side of your calf. As you roll, keep your navel point drawn in and up. Turn your foot to the left and roll out the inner side of your calf. Adjust the roller as necessary. Extend the left leg long. Point the left toes towards the ceiling and roll back and forth onto your calf. Keep your navel point drawn in and up. Soften the muscles in your face. Turn your toes to the left and massage up and down. Today, we're trying to get all areas of the lower body. Turn your toes to the right. Come to hands and knees and then place your shins on the roller. Roll forward and back. Notice that your knees remain about hip width distance apart. Keep your low belly toned. Create space between the top and bottom rows of teeth. Place the roller under your right thigh and place a bend in your left knee. Roll back and forth. Your right foot should be flexed towards the ceiling. Bring a tone to your low belly. And see if you notice any tight spots as you roll. Turn the toes to the right. Turn your toes to the left. Place the right foot on the ground, extend the left leg long, and roll back and forth on the left thigh. Or on the back of the left leg. Keep your left toes pointed towards the ceiling. You'll have a soft bend in your left leg. Turn your toes to the left and roll out the outside of your left leg. Turn your toes to the right and roll out part of the inside of the left leg. What kind of foam roller are you using today? Come to hands and knees. Place the roller on the top of the thighs and roll up and down. Notice that you don't roll over your knees. The ab workout is just a slight bonus in today's rolling session. Check on your baby if necessary. I decided to leave this clip in because it's just real life. Extend the left leg out, place a bend in the knee, and roll out the inner left thigh. Keep your right leg grounded into the mat. And you can flex the ankle or lay it flat, just depending on what feels comfortable to you. With rolling, you control the pressure. Switch legs. Move the roller over to the right edge of the mat. Place a bend in the right knee. Extend the left leg long. And roll out the right inner thigh, stopping just before the knee. This is one of my favorite places to roll. What's your favorite place to roll? Sit on the roller, find a comfortable position. Notice that your feet are about hip-width distance apart. Place your hands on your knees. Keep your tummy tight and engaged. And roll out your glutes. Place the right foot just above the left knee and turn your low body to the right to roll out the outside of the glute. Return to center. Roll back and forth. Lower the right leg down and cross the left foot just under the right knee. Turn your hips to the left and roll out the outside of the left glute. Return to center. Don't fall off the roller, which it's easy to do. Does anybody else find the roller escaping them? Or in my case, making my mat bunch up? Maybe I should roll next time without the mat. Extend both legs long. And roll out, stopping just before the knee. Place your feet on the roller and massage out from the top to the bottom of your feet. Hopefully this feels good for you after today's session. Well, thanks for joining me today, guys, in this fun foam rolling practice. Hope you have a wonderful day.